Hello! In today's tutorial, we will go through the steps of how to crochet linen stitch. Crochet linen stitch is very useful and easy even for beginner crocheters because it's nothing but a repetition of single crochet stitches and chains. It's worked over 2 rows, and all you have to do to create a nice crochet project is repeat this pattern over and over again. This fantastic crochet stitch is great for scarves, dishcloths, giant sweaters and more. For this crochet, we used cotton yarn and crochet hook size 2.5 millimeters. In this tutorial we used neck stitches, chain, single crochet. So, let's get started. Chain a multiple of 2 plus 1 for the foundation chain. Row 1. 2 chains. Skip 3 chains from the hook. Single crochet in the next chain. One chain. Skip 1 chain. Single crochet in the next chain. Repeat to the end. Row 2. 2 chains. Single crochet in a chain. One chain. Single crochet in a chain. Repeat to the end. Repeat row 2 until you have reached your desired length. That's all. Like everything in crocheting, this skill comes with practice. Train, crochet again and again if necessary. If you still have questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I will try to answer.